Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we will study the third chapter of Class 3 Computer, Word 2016. In this chapter, we will learn the purpose of word processor, the components of word processor window, how to create, save and close a file, then differentiate between save and save as, open and edit an existing file. So children, what is Word 2016? Word 2016 is a popular word processing software. It is an application program that helps us to type various documents like letters, paragraphs, poems and essays. So it is a program in which we can type different documents like letters, answers, paragraphs, poems, essays, whatever you wish to type, you can type. We can edit and format the typed text. So we can make changes. If we have done any kind of mistake, we can edit the text. And format the text means we can add designs, graphics, images to our typed text, whatever we have typed. We can also store and print these documents. After writing, after typing, we can even store those documents, and if required we can print. Word 2016 provides many options to make changes in the document we work on. So it provides us many options, different points. We can make different changes. It is not rigid that we cannot make any kind of change. If we have to make any changes, we can do so. So many options are available. Next comes children's features of Word 2016. So, what does Word 2016 helps us? What are the tasks? What are the things which we can do in Word 2016? We can type text and make changes in the existing text. Already you know we can type, and even we can make the desired changes. Give a presentable look to the typed text by using different colors and effects. So we can make use of different colors, different effects to make our text more attractive and presentable. Add images with the text. We can add different images of our choice related to the text if we want to add anything. Correct spelling and grammatical errors. If we have done any spelling mistake or grammatical errors, we can correct it. Then align text within margins. We can arrange the text within margins. If we need 2 margins, then like this 2, or horizontally also if we want, then we can make. Offer a variety of font styles and font sizes. We can increase or decrease the size of our text, and also we can change the writing style. See the preview of the typed text. So before printing the text, we can see how our typed text looks. So that is known as preview. Find and replace the text. If we have to replace any word with the other, we can replace it. For example, if you have written bun, but you have to write sun, so you will replace bun with sun. Similarly, you can replace. Save the text to be used later. We can save it and it can be used later on according to our convenience. Print the text document. So whatever we have saved, if we want, we can print it. So these were the features of Word 2016. Now children, let us see the applications of Word 2016. So for what we can use Word 2016? For preparing brochures. So what is brochures? It is a small book with images and writings. Newsletters, reports, resumes and cover letters, advertisements, books, directories. So for all this purpose, what we can use children? We can use Word 2016. Next children, components of Word 2016 window. So what are the components of Word 2016? application window and document window. The two main windows are application window and document window. Under document window comes title bar, file tab, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbon, rulers, text area, status bar and scroll bar. Now let us see these in detail. Application window. It is a larger window which helps the user to interact with Word program. So it helps us to interact with the Word program. And the next important window is document window. It is the window inside the application window where the user can type, edit and format the text. So it is the entire window where we can type, edit and format the text. The first one is title bar. It is located at the top of the screen and displays the name of the document followed by the application name Word. So it is at the top of the screen and displays the name of the document, whatever name we have given. Next you see children, file tab. It is placed at the upper left corner in the title bar. When we click on the tab, we get various options with which we can create, open, save and print the documents. So where is file tab children? It is at the upper left corner. It is at the upper left corner in the title bar. On clicking on this tab, we get various options which we can create, open and save our document. Quick access toolbar. It is located in the title bar towards the left corner of the screen. It contains a set of frequently used commands such as saving a document, undo typing and repeat typing. By default, save, undo and repeat commands appear on the quick access toolbar. So what is the meaning of undo children? Means we can again go back to that same step. So in quick access toolbar, we can save our document, repeat typing and undo typing. Tabs. Tabs are located below the title bar. File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View and Help are various tab buttons. So under tab, we get these various tab buttons. Ribbon. Ribbon contains all the tabs and gives us options related to each tab. As we click on a tab button, its relevant options get displayed on the ribbon. So whatever options are available according to that tab, we get under ribbon. This makes it easy for the user to see and perform the desired operations on the document. So ribbon, it makes our work easier. We can see the different operations which are available. Rulers. A Word window has two rulers. Simply children, how you use a ruler in your copy for drawing lines or margins. Similarly, in Word 2016 also we have a ruler. A Word window has two rulers. The horizontal ruler present at the top of the document measures the width of the document. Width means breadth. The vertical ruler on the left side measures the height of the text. Height of the text area. So this is vertical and this is horizontal. Text area. It is a large area where the user can type, edit and format the text. So the entire area which is available is known as the text area. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. It displays important information about the currently open document like number of pages, number of words, language and zoom slider. It is located at the bottom of the screen children and we can see how many pages we have used, the number of words till now we have typed and those all information. Scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bars, vertical and horizontal. The vertical scroll bar located to the right of the document is used to move the page up and down across the document window. The horizontal bar located at the bottom of the document is used to move the page left or right across the document window. So children, scroll bar is of two types, vertical and horizontal. The vertical scroll bar helps to move the page up and down, whereas horizontal, it is used to move the page left or right. So these were the components of Word 2016. Thank you.